How to improve your mental health naturally. Hey everyone, welcome back to Hussain Psychology. Today we are focusing on natural ways to improve your mental health. I will share with you top tips and tricks that have been shown to boost mood, reduce stress and enhance overall well-being. All this without any medication or expert. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Regular exercise. Physical activity is not just about building muscles. It is a proven mood booster. When you exercise, your brain releases endorphins. Endorphins are natural chemicals that help you feel happier. For example, think of a person who starts their day with a 30-minute jog and finds that their positive energy carries through the entire day. Tip number 2. Balanced nutrition. What you eat plays a significant role in how you feel. A diet rich in omega-3 fatty acid, antioxidant and essential vitamins can stabilize your mood. Consider someone who includes food like salmon, walnuts in their diet. The nutrients from these foods support brain health and can improve overall emotional well-being. Tip number 3. Mindfulness and meditation. Practicing mindfulness helps you stay present and reduce stress. For instance, even a brief daily 10 minutes meditation session can clear your mind, allowing you to focus better and react calmly to stressors. Imagine you are sitting quietly each morning, gradually noticing the rhythm of your breath and feeling more centered as a result. Tip number 4. Adequate sleep. Good quality sleep is essential for mental clarity and emotional stability. If you establish a bedtime routine, like dimming the lights, turning off screens, and perhaps reading a book, you can signal your body to prepare for rest. Consider yourself after implementing a strict sleep schedule. Wakes up refreshed and ready to face the day without overwhelming fatigue. Tip number 5. Social connection. Humans are inherently social creatures. Positive interactions with family and friends can act as buffer against stress. Think about someone who makes it a point to catch up with close friends over coffee each week. The supportive conversation not only lifts their moods but also reinforces a sense of belonging and security. Always find someone whom you can help. Tip number 6. Digital detox. Constant exposure to screens and social media can be draining. Taking breaks allows your mind to relax and recharge. Picture a day where you consciously disconnect from your phone and engage in outdoor activities or hobbies. This shift can drastically reduce mental clutter, and this will promote a healthier mindset. Tip number 7. Journaling. Write down your thoughts and feelings can be a powerful tool for self-reflection. Imagine someone who journals every night, uncovering patterns in their emotions and finding clarity in their thought and the thought processes by writing things. This habit can help manage stress and guide you towards effective solution for your concerns. These natural strategies are not about making drastic changes overnight. Instead, they are about incorporating small, sustainable habits into your daily routine. That builds up over time, obviously. Try integrating one or two of these tips and observe how they impact your mood and overall well-being. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to Hussain Psychology for more natural, science-backed ways to improve mental health. See you in the next video.